What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to find saved Wi-Fi passwords on your iPhone. Before getting started, make sure your iPhone is updated to iOS 16 or later, as this feature is only available from iOS 16 onward. Once you're ready, open the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, tap on Wi-Fi to see a list of available Wi-Fi networks. At the top of the screen, you will see the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Look for the Information or I button next to the network name. Tap on this Information button to open the network settings. Once you're in the network details, you see a password field. To view the password, tap on it. At this point, you'll be prompted to authenticate using Face ID or Touch ID. This security measure ensures that only you can view the password for networks you've connected to. Once you've authenticated, the password will be revealed on the screen. If you need to share the password with someone else or save it for later, tap Copy to copy the password to your clipboard. You can then paste it into a message, Notes app, or any other place where you need to share or store it. Now let's look at how to find passwords for Wi-Fi networks you've connected to in the past. Still in the Wi-Fi section of Settings, tap Edit in the upper right corner. You'll be prompted to use Face ID or Touch ID to access your list of known Wi-Fi networks, which includes all the networks your iPhone has connected to and saved. In this list, you see each Wi-Fi network's name, along with a small lock icon next to networks that are password protected. To reveal the password for a particular network, find the network you're interested in and tap the Information button next to it. As with the current network, tap on Password and use Face ID or Touch ID to reveal it. Once the password is displayed, you can also tap Copy to save it or share it as needed. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.